Do you have premises with high-value stock or valued items that need protecting, or equipment that is paramount to the running of your business? Then we can help protect those assets with a high-quality intruder alarm system at a very competitive price. Whether you have a factory, shop, offices, warehouse, or compound, we can provide the right protection system to suit your needs. We also provide personal protection systems for staff and customers, including panic attack buttons, either static or wireless. All systems can be connected to a 24-hour alarm receiving centre, so your local police and nominated key holders are alerted in the event of a system activation. As an NSI-approved alarm installer, you can be confident that BWS Standfast will protect what's valuable to you. We make it easy. Simply phone us, and one of our surveyors will discuss your requirements. We are happy to visit your place of work at a time convenient to you, conduct a free site survey, and discuss various options available. We will even send you a free, no-obligation written quotation. So, if you want peace of mind and the knowledge that your business, its contents, and staff are protected day and night, then contact us now for more information.